Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Batter Up box. This is their T-ball box. They do have a wide range of boxes for different ages, depending on your child or, adult. So this is their T-ball box. It's for kids age 4 to 6. Plans start at from month to month $29.99. But if you go longer subscriptions, it's $26.99. It can go as low as $26.99, which is really nice. I'm actually gonna give this to Oliver. His birthday is Monday. I'm so excited. He's 5. So these boxes include items that will kind of keep your kids' attention and help them to learn the basics of baseball. So they know what they've put into this is the time that when kids are out there, their attention is lost. So it's things that are going to help keep them focused, but also teach them the basics. I think it's really cute. I can't wait to get in here. Let's open it up and see. All right. And I think they also have like boxes, like real boxes of sports merchandise. So if you are interested in that, I'm going to link down below to all of that stuff. I'll also link to my full review, which I'm going to do on my blog. I think you guys will like that as well, because it'll give you like better images and stuff like that. I'll show you some pictures of little Ollie Man too. All right. So something smells like perfumey. All right. We open it up and it says Batter Up Box, tip of the month. So let's get defensive. These are tips. This is box number 19, and they do have tips on here, which I think is really cute. So it goes by for outfielders of all ages, for infielders. So there's that. That's really cool. Then there's a little thing of baseball cards. These are Topps baseballs. There's 12 cards in here. I don't even try, you know. All right, then we've got, that's what I smell. Sneaker balls. My grandmother, here's something funny. My grandmother used to always like buy these for us. We would go buy sneakers, and the guy would always like upsell her at the end. He'd be like, "So you want some sneaker balls?" And I always had them. I always used them too. I was like, why not, right? So these are little baseballs though. How cute are those? Oh, so these deodorized shoes, gym bags, and lockers. Just so you guys have never, if you guys have never heard of them, they're actually really cool. I like them, especially for kids who try not to wear socks. Occasionally, I have had that happen. All right, then we've got glove locks. So these keep your strings from knotting. Should I say strings? Not really. All right, if it's all gloves, keeps gloves tight on your hand, and you can tighten it with one hand with these. There's 4 included in total. That's a really cool, innovative item. All right. Oh, look at that. Can I take it out? Oh, no, I can't. So this is called, what's it called? 2 Hands Pro. Fits any size glove. See that picture there? I'm not going to try to describe it. All right. Align pinky and middle finger into glove, press firmly. Bend thumb into glove, press in firmly. And then you can uninstall it. Pull out insert by thumb, remove insert from glove. Not for game use, practice only. So it's for baseball and softball, infield and outfield. Fits any glove size, forces glove to stay open. Encourages a 2-hand technique, which is cool. Creates soft hands approach. Helps develop quick transition to throwing. So there's that. And they have their own website too. I'm actually interested in learning more about this. Huh, I like that. It's cute. All right. Then we've got Mystery Superstar. Ooh, this is cute. You hear my kids downstairs playing with their dad? They're down there like, I don't even know what they're doing. All right, so this is a 13-piece Mystery Superstar. So it's a little baseball figurine. Collect, build, play. That is super cool. See, that's why the box is so fun. Your kid opens it, they're getting items that are useful, and that are going to help them, but also they're intrigued because they've got the fun stuff too. You know what I mean? That's cool. All right, so we don't know who this is yet, and I'm actually kind of curious. All right. So then we have the Batter Up Box pin, which is super cute. They could put on their little hat. They could put on their little, just on their backpack, whatever. They can put it wherever they want, really, but it's super cute. Anyway, this is the Batter Up box, the T-ball box. If you're interested in my full review, check that out below. If you're interested in just checking out the sportsboxco.com, I'll link to them as well. You can check out their bevy of subscriptions that they offer. It is worth checking out if you have a baseball fan in your life, or a little baseball player, or even a big baseball player, or whatever. So check that out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful Easter weekend. I'll see you next time. Bye.